Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create and manage partitions in Linux from the terminal. To start, open the terminal. Next, install the parted utility by running the command on the screen. Enter the password. Run the parted command to check the current version used. You may see a permission notice. To exit, press the Q key on your keyboard or enter quit. Then directly run the parted command to access the parted console. You will need to run the command with sudo to have administrative permissions. Next, we are going to list the disk partitions using the print command. If the goal is to see another disk, use the select command that you see on the screen indicating the syntax of the drive to select it first. Then you can use the print command to see the contents of partitions. Then, run the mklabel plus label syntax to create a label for the drive. Put a valid label and confirm the operation. Then use the print command to see the change in the partition table. Now we are going to create a partition using the mkpart command. Go writing the parameters that the terminal asks you. Lastly, use the print command to display the changed information in the terminal. If in addition to this you want to resize the partition, use the resize part command adding the partition number and end size. Again, use the print command to see the changed data. If you want to delete a partition, use the rm command followed by the partition number and press enter. Then use the print command to see the new information. If what you need is to create a rescue partition, use the rescue command and indicate the data that is requested. After that, execute the print command to be able to view the generated information. Finally, it is possible to change the flag column of a partition using the set command on the screen and selecting the partition as well as the label. After that, with the print command, we can see the modified flags column. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.